If let's say the user keys in the wrong breed of dogs, we want the bot to return the user a list of suggestions for what he has typed. So if let's say I type G, which is not a breed, then the bot will return me a list of dog breeds that starts with a G. So let's go ahead and do this now. Following from our previous code, we perform an exact match check on the array. If there is no exact match, then we want to filter for the dog breeds that starts with what the user has typed. So to do that, let's create a new array named suggestions, and here we will perform the filtering. We'll call the data array followed by the filter method, and it takes in a callback function, and we will return items starts with followed by the breed input that the user has typed. So what this filter method does is that for each item in this data array, it will perform this function here. So if this item, for each item, if it starts with the breed input that the user has typed, then this whole thing here will return true. And if it returns true, then the item will be added into the suggestion array. Next, let's also create the message string that we will return to the user, and we will key in did you main followed by new line. Now we must add each item in the suggestions into the message that we want to return to the user. So what we will do is we will type suggestions. We will use the for each method, and it takes in a callback function as well. So we'll loop through all the items inside of suggestions, and it will perform this. We use message, concatenate, and a dash to represent the bullet point, and each item followed by new line. Now what if the user did not, or what if there is no suggestions to return to the user? What we can do is we need to perform another check. So if the suggestion array length is equals to 0, then what we want to do is to reply to the user that we cannot find the breed. If not, we will return the user the message that we have created. Go ahead and save the file and make sure that the bot has restarted. Now we can test the bot. Type the dog command followed by G. You can see the bot gives us a list of dog breeds that starts with G. If let's say I were to type dog grey, it will just return one suggestion, which is greyhound. Now we want to get a random image of a greyhound, and